Well, well, well. You got 10 minutes, boy, to hand over Pop Pop. What's it going to be, Jaden? Are you going to hand him over? I'm right here waiting. You see the time. I waited all day for this. Well, well, well. So you kept your word, huh, Jaden? So you kept your word. You down there hiding? Well, 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 Pop Pop. You just thought that you were going to lock me up and run away. Well, things have changed now. You're going to jail for a long time. Jaden, why'd you do this to me? Good boy, Jaden. Good boy.